ABN and PRR College of Science, Kovur. Welcome to online classes, 4th semester Communication Soft Skills by G. Vijay Kumar, lecturer in English. Today's class is Resume and Curriculum Vitae. Resume and CV. What is resume and CV? After your graduation, you may want to apply for a job. How will you do that? In some cases, you may just fill in a prescribed application form. However, most organizations require a curriculum vitae CV or resume. With the application form, that is CV or resume, is the first instrument to introduce yourself and your capabilities. Hence, you need to be extra careful while preparing your CV or resume. In this lesson, you will learn how to prepare your CV or resume. The terms CV, resume, and biodata. Before we learn how to prepare a CV or resume, we will try to understand the difference between a CV and a resume. In Latin, curriculum vitae means course of life. The word resume is borrowed from French and Latin. It means summary or synopsis. A CV can be slightly longer than a resume. While a CV may run into 2 pages, a resume is usually only a page in length. In India, the term biodata is used. It is a mistake to think that an impressive CV shall run into many pages. Personal information such as place of birth, date of birth, parental information, and other family background does not find place in a CV. The human resource department in organization receives thousands of applications. They do not find time to go through all the information presented in all the applications. Therefore, they look for the information required for the jobs advertised in their organization. All other information becomes secondary. Hence, the CV shall be focused and to the point. From this, we understand that the purpose of a CV or resume is to pass the screening and get a call letter for interview. How to write a CV or resume? The needs of each organization are different. So, preparing one's CV and sending the same to any organization is not a good practice. We need to prepare a customized CV for each post or organization. Thus, a good CV or resume is one which, first one, attracts the attention of the recruiter. Next one, raises curiosity. And third one, highlights strengths and achievements. Read the job advertisement carefully and look for the essential and desirable qualifications required for a job, the kind of a person the organization or company is looking for. Then try to compose your CV in such a way that it gives an impression to the recruiters that you are the person that they are looking for. That is, a CV has to be prepared each time you apply for a job. You should not apply for every job you come across in a newspaper of on the internet. A CV shall have the following points. First one, a personal information. Your CV or resume should start with the following personal details: your full name in capital letters, your address for correspondence, your telephone numbers, both landline and mobile number, your email ID. These details shall be positioned at the top of the first page. Second one, career objective. You should clearly spell out your career objective. Do not make it generic. The objective should be your aspiration and reflect the ethos of the recruiting organization and the post you are applying for. Next one, professional experience. You should mention the different jobs you have held along with achievements in each position. You should start with the latest job first and travel backwards. In other words, you should describe the posts on the reverse chronological order. That is, you should mention the recent job first and go back to your first job. Next, describe your projects. If you are fresher and do not have any experience of doing any job, you can list the projects you undertook in your graduation, and under each project you can describe your experience and accomplishments. In addition, you can talk about your special qualities. And last one, educational qualifications. You can list your educational qualifications in the reverse chronological order, like the experience mentioned above. State the name of the degree, year of completion, name of the college or university, percentage of marks, grade and award or distinction, if any. Thank you very much.